Alright guys, Justin Modest here again. Today we're going to learn the bee kick or butterfly kick. So y'all get ready. It's a very simple move, but it looks very cool. Too cool to be so simple to learn though. It's a good move to learn before your aerial and your btwist. So y'all, let's get it. The first thing, you have to know which direction you want to go. So what I will say is, if you could cartwheel, you do it the same direction. But if you can't cartwheel, no problem. You could always learn it without having a cartwheel. You don't necessarily need the cartwheel. So y'all who don't have cartwheel, don't worry. Choose which side you want a butterfly kick on and do this. And I hop now. It's a small up. Now I'll show you how to take off. Standing with your feet a little more than shoulder width apart, twist your upper body the opposite direction you want to be kicked. Swoop down as shown. One thing to notice is the direction my head is when I jump, when I take off. So watch it. Notice that I start facing the camera and mid-air I'm facing the clouds behind me. Do the same and swap your legs. While in the air, keep your chest facing towards the ground. Make sure you kick the leg behind you high. This will help you with height. Now you can try going fully horizontal, but make sure to open up your arms. It will make it look much smoother. And well done, you did your first butterfly kick or bee kick. Congrats. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you all got it. If you all follow these steps correctly, you all were able to get it. It's pretty simple. I believe you all could learn it in a day. If you ain't learn it in a day, don't worry. You could always try tomorrow or the day after. Yeah, just keep consistent. Like, share, subscribe as usual. This move, like I said, is a very easy move to learn. And it looks cool, as you can see. And it's a good move to learn before your aerial, your btwist, and even your gainer. So if you all want tutorials on these three moves, stay tuned. Peace.